In today's world, ears are frequently exposed to abuse, often leading to issues that are on the rise. Several signs indicate the need for ear care, such as ringing, buzzing, or roaring sounds after exposure to loud noises. Stiffness in the neck and jaws, poor oral health, difficulty in speaking, imbalance, dizziness, and headaches due to noise. WHO predicts that 1 in 4 people will have hearing problems by 2050, primarily due to exposure to loud noises, including loud music and noisy work environments. The ear consists of the outer, middle, and inner parts that collaborate to process sounds. The inner ear contains delicate hair cells that transmit sound messages to the brain. Prolonged exposure to loud noises can damage these hair cells, resulting in reduced hearing capability. Besides loud noise, habits such as excessive use of earphones, prolonged phone conversations, using cotton swabs to clean the ears, stress, smoking, and alcohol contribute to ear problems. Here are various strategies for protecting ear health. 1. Use of earplugs. In noisy environments or during loud activities, using earplugs can significantly reduce the risk of damage to the ears. They should be readily available and used whenever necessary. 2. Proper earwax management. The ear is self-cleaning, and earwax is essential for lubrication and protection. Regular use of cotton swabs is discouraged. Instead, a gentle practice of ear oiling is recommended to maintain healthy ears. 3. Ayurvedic ear care. Daily ear oiling with cold-pressed oil is recommended. For specific issues like ear infections or pain, garlic-infused oil can be used. An advanced practice called Karna Puran involves warming and pouring pure sesame oil into the ears to address serious ear-related problems. This practice is advised under professional guidance. 4. Breathing exercises and yoga. Breathing exercises like Brahmari and Anulam Vilom, along with yoga poses like Sarvangasana and Parivartasana, contribute to ear health and balance. Ear health is closely linked to overall well-being and encourages viewers to be attentive to any signs of ear-related issues. By following the suggested practices and adopting mindful habits, individuals can preserve their hearing, prevent discomfort, and promote the health of their ears and related organs.